It's so hot. It's just so hot. I gotta lay these pavers. I got all out here ready to go. Got them stacked up. Got some extra ones stacked up here. The dogs are laying out. Where's my puppies? In hands. There she is laying out there. Hey, puppies. But anyway, yeah, I'm stranded under this umbrella. Ooh, in the heat of the day. I'm gonna wait till it's cooler, but I gotta lay these pavers. Try to film it. It's just so hard to lay them. It's just, painful to get out there and sweat, get greasy, grimy. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But I'll do it. Wish I had better shade. Nope. Hanging out by the fountain, by the pond. Yes. Yeah. Makes a nice sound, but it doesn't make it any cooler. Well, hey, this is as far as I got today. I know it's not much, but here it is right here. It looks pretty. Yep, that's gonna be it. Nice. I don't know when I'll get it all cut, but there's a lot of cuts in there. A lot of cuts in there. But it'll happen. It's coming along. I ain't going nowhere. Well, here I am. I don't think I've bitten off more than I can chew. I've put down a lot of tile, a lot of pavers. Can handle the water saw and do all the cuts. I don't know, it's just killing me. It's killing me. It's so hot out. Right now I'm captive under this umbrella. Gotta stay hydrated. Little geometry. Yeah, looks good. I mean, it's coming together. First the pond, then the slab, now the pavers, then the fire pit. And after the fire pit, maybe we'll rebuild the sweat lodge. How about that? How about that? That would be good, wouldn't it? All right. Beautiful day. All right, one of the last cuts ready to go. Trying to use my scrap hook. The old water saw. Hold your ears. Let's see how that works. Oh, come on, sit. Hey, Zig, how you doing? Hey, Lola. work out. My mind ain't right. I'm trying to get this thing done. I'm almost done. Oh, almost done. Feeling good. There we go. See if I can use this scrap. There's the pond. There's the slab. There's the doggies. Working on it. Working on it. Let's see if it fits, Lola. Let's see if it fits. If it fits, it fits. Alrighty. One more piece. All right. Last piece. Last piece. Little bitty piece. I know a lot of people staying at home are working on jigsaw puzzles. Well, I'm working on a jigsaw puzzle too. It just happens to be that I'm making up my own pieces. Oh yeah. That's it, folks. All right. We did it, Zig. I might fill in a couple more tiny little pieces. That's a wrap. So all right, folks, let's take a quick look. Here we go. Let me put you on wide angle. Enhance. There we go. I love it. Gonna put the, just like has always been the design, to put the fire in the middle. Yep. Put the fire pit right there in the middle. And that'll be good. Here it is with the pond, which I did first. Did the pond first. Then we had the slab poured. Slab right on the side of the porch. Very nice. And then we did pavers. But yeah, it's worked out pretty good. Got that free form flow that kind of describes my style. I just start going and then work out the problem. Okay, so here's a look at the paver patio fireplace area. I'm gonna call this, hi, I'm still here. I'm gonna call this place Hummingbird Sink, because the thing to try to do is make all this look like a sinkhole, and that's the level of the sinkhole, and this is all kind of down in. So anyway, that's what I'm going for. Anyway, that's what I'm going for. I'll give you a closer look. Yes, there's my puppies. Hi, puppies. So, it's kind of organic. It doesn't have any straight lines. Well, I tried to make some straight, but they're not straight, so is that my fault? Yeah, I guess it's my fault. It conforms to the shape of the pond and the shape of the slab that we recently got put down. Conforms to the shape of the slab. So anyway, it's a continuing project. We're not done, but I might just end off a chapter here. Everything's looking good. Plants are coming along. We're getting a good healthy crop of avocados. They're still small. I'll keep on planting plants. We got some blooms. Got some wildflowers blooming over here. Pagoda plant getting ready to bloom. Got coral honeysuckle up here on the fence. Hummingbirds like that. Got more coral honeysuckle over there. It's not blooming too well right now. Lonsifera. More pagoda plant. Lots of fire spike. And the milkweed's coming back after the caterpillars tore it up. Oh yeah, working on it. Hummingbirds love this miniature Turk's cap hibiscus. Trying to make it look like a sinkhole. Yeah.